Hello, we are Ingenious Innovators. The team members are Jerry Kurian, Product Design Team Lead, Sudarshana, Strategy Design, Subrata, Device Design, Saish, Component Research, Praveen, Research and Development. We are working on challenge number 5, Smart Pills and Digestibles, to ensure patients adhere to the medication plans. This is a problem across the world for patients suffering from chronic illness and requiring long-term treatments. This is one of the root cause of MDR-TB. We have thought of a unique end-to-end solution in the form of a portable device we are calling Mani. This smart device is used right from recording prescriptions to delivering medicines directly to the patient's mouth. The device will integrate with the existing EHR system and record prescriptions provided by the doctor. Once taken home, it will act as a timely reminder and a handy dispenser, giving right dosage of medicines through a hygienic reattachable nozzle. The device will be sold with detachable cartridges of pills and medicines. The smart device combines the features of mobile app and smart dispensers with the USP of being able to solve the last mile issue of tracking the actual consumption of the medicine. I will now give a demo of a model that we have created. The device that I am showing right now is a model. Now you can see that the device is actually in the shape of a nebulizer with a smartly placed fingerprint scanner. What this ensures is that the fingerprint can be easily placed while the medicine is being taken by the patient. The medicine container itself can be placed to the device like this, in this form, and once the device actually detects the user, the patient, the medicine will be dispensed through the nozzle. This nozzle is a detachable and easily cleanable separate component. Mani is an ultra low power consumption device that will run for a very long time at a single charge. The device ensures that the pill is dispensed right into the mouth of the patient. The timely reminder ensures that the forgetful patients need no longer worry about missing pills. The personalized dispenser ensures prevention from under and overdosage of drugs. The device records the data in real time or offline and can be synced back to the EHR system for detailed analysis. The current solutions in the market are focusing on solving only the forgetfulness and dosage issue. Our innovative device uses sensors to ensure personalized delivery of medicine right to the mouth. The data collected can be used for detailed analysis and predictive care. The smart device is extremely cost effective, selling for as low as ₹900. The go-to-market strategy for Mani is basically to adopt or partner with large hospital chains and issue devices to the patients under long-term care there. The regular tracking and monitoring facility provided by device will ensure hospitals can take optimum care of the patients. In the second phase, we will look to approach government agencies who can distribute these devices through primary healthcare centers. In the third phase, we will be targeting consumers directly through advertisements and sell Mani as an off-the-shelf device. The cartridges can be additional source of income.